एवरी इयर आमगेले डिसिल्टिंग करताले PWD गटर आम सांगली म्हणटरी आतां ह्या वर्सा आम कशें करून जाला की MLA सिलेक्टेड पोर्शन्स आहा ती डिसिल्टिंग करता तेगे कोण मनीस आहा तेणें सांगलें जाल्यार तो कुडके डिसिल्टिंग करता आय कॅन गिव यू विथ एग्जांपल आमची गोवा स्टेट कॉर्पोरेटिव्ह बँक आहा भितर स्वता थिंग लेफ्टान एक गटर आहा रायटान एक गटर आहा आनी हो गटर लेफ्टान आहा तो क्लीन केला रायटान आहा तो केलो ना पूण चड गरज आसलोली रायटान आहा तो गटर क्लीन करपाचो कित्याक गेल त्या पावसान तो गटर भरलो तो आयज पासून तेसोच आहा आय ब्रॉट इट टू द नोटीस ऑफ द PA ऑफ अलिना क्लिफ तेक पासून सांगलें तो म्हाका सांगता डिसिल्टिंग हूंय PWDन करूंक जायना जाल्यार PWD गटर हांव विचारूं सोदतां PWDचे गटर कोण डिसिल्टिंग करपाचें आम पंचायत करूंक गेले जाल्यार आमकां ग्रामसभा लोक ओपोज करता वाय पंचायत इज स्पेंडींग फंड ऑफ PWD गटर्स ऑन PWD गटर्स आम कित्याक पयशे मोडपाक काय म्हणून जाल्यार हे कोणें डिसिल्टिंग करपाचें आनी ते 14 वर्सां करताले जाल्यार ह्या वर्सा कित्याक करपा न्हू ते
Now, unfortunately, PWD Vasco section presently has only 3 laborers which are taking care of the entire Kortali constituency. So we requested the AE of PWD to send these laborers wherever needed, but as per the urgency of the situation, that is wherever logging of water is taking place, we requested the PWD to send the laborers there so that the situation can be set right. And that is what is being done at the moment. In fact, yesterday I was supervising the drains being cleaned because I was shocked and I even asked those ladies, how do you live with so much dirt accumulated in the drain? There was water and it was all mucky and smelling so foul that I really wonder how the people were living in that area all these days. Now, definitely, if such a need arises, the needful will be done. It is not that we have choices of who to help and who not to help. I think only a mind that does not see clearly will say things like we do this only in some wards and we don't do in some other wards.
उद्घाटन केलें इनॉग्रेशन केलें आमगे तुका फोटवाचेर चोवपाक गेले आमगे कुट्टाळे पंच जावन सरपंच दिसती पडना हूंय वय ती थिंगा आयज आमची MLA सांकवाडेकारांक घेवन भोंवता सायडी सांकवाडेकारांक दोत्ता आनी आपणागे हें चालू करता तूं मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्सा इनॉग्रेशन चोय सायडी सरपंच पासून ना सरपंचा लास्ट मिनिट उल मारून आपयन हाडला सरपंच यो म्हणून सगळीं सांकवाडेकार आहाय सायडीन पयर CM तेचो DBLA इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक येयले जाल्यार एक आमगे वॉर्ड मेंबर रिस्पेक्ट दीन CMा आनी अलिना MLA आहलोलो थिंग पासून तूं ते फोटो चोवपाक वचूं सगळे सांकवाडेकार उबे आहाय फोटवाचेर हांव ती तर म्हाका तर सांगताली म्हाका कॉन्फिडन्सान घेताली जाल्यार हांवूय ते एकूय घेवपाचो पयलें सरपंच चेंज करचे फुडें सदां म्हाकाय फोन करताली तेकाय फोन करताली आनी इन्स्पेक्शन करताली आयज आमी कोणाक फोन करना इन्स्पेक्शनाक बेश्टीत थोडी वॉर्ड मेंबरांकूच घेवन इन्स्पेक्शन करता.
Well, with respect to the allegation that they were not informed, this is a total lie. Because my office phoned the Sarpanch and told her that the Honorable Chief Minister is coming for a site inspection of the bridge work that's happening in the Kortali section. She did not pick up the phone, and after repeated calls, her daughter picked up the phone, and my office secretary informed her that the Chief Minister is arriving at a particular time and to make sure that they are present there and to inform all the members of the Panchayat. Of course, there was no return call to say that they have got the message, and later on the day, nobody turned up, and a little later in the evening we came to know that none of the Panchas of Kortali Panchayat came when the Honorable Chief Minister visited Kortali constituency for the first time because they had gone for a picnic. Now, I think they must realize that they cannot show this kind of behavior when the Chief Minister is coming to visit the constituency for the first time.